Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram without suggested posts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply we will be needing to hide our suggested post and then you will be needing to click on not interested option on the suggested post. Means we will be needing first to go to Instagram and don't forget if you find this video helpful to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's continue our tutorial. So after going to our Instagram and we can go to any features either like the discover or the reels features and from here we will find many reels or any kind of feature. Either we can go from the reels and you will find these suggested posts or these suggested reels. And after that, you might simply click on the 3 points icon and from there you can click on not interested. By clicking on not interested, you will find another option that says do not suggest posts from these accounts and by that you will be able to not suggest posts from such suggested accounts or posts, or you can simply go to don't suggest posts with certain words. You can customize these kind of words, and also you will have more control by going to manage content preferences. And this manage content preferences you might find it just on the settings by going to your profile, these three lines icon that will take you to the menu, and after that we will need to go to our content preferences, and normally it should be here in the what you see section. And after that we want to click on content preferences. You can add not interested accounts, you can specify some words and phrases, you can choose the sensitive account if you want to disable it or not, and then you can control your control content preferences. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.